asigoqele but la befuna ukwazi khona indawo but okwamanje ngicela kuqhubeka amanye ama-panelists ngena Njomani
dumela Nhlebo mmeli bontate
dumela morana le kae
le kae ngwaneso e re ke qaqa hanyenyane ke tla mixa le sekgowa mono Sizulu se ka ngihlula
no arina mtata ukabua lika sona Sesotho sa hao mre
iya akwazi ukukhuluma kahle isiZulu
no bua Sesotho
no ke ko bua ngwanesi mamela entjamme ntwenana e simple hampe le fatshe lena ga lwanela. And then one thing for sure, next supporter Operation Dudula, by the way, supporter. I'm not a member, but I support. Ntwenana re kwe hlola hare ka kopana. Ntwetsa along South Africa bo Melbourne that the thing that is happening in this country does not make sense. And what the government has done, actually, they have painted us as abantu bomnyama in a very bad light. Which is very wrong. They have painted a wrong narrative. And it's very wrong. Basically, for the last 30 years or so, and that has to change. Country must come first. It has to come first in every respect. Irrespective of your political party, whatever, we must we must put in government patriotic parties, people that will make laws for us that are for the country, first and foremost, that are for the development of this country. I was listening to President Trump in one of his UN speech, telling the European countries, this experiment open borders, it is a failed experiment. Your countries are going to hell. He was telling them that. You've got open borders and you are in hell now. Because you've got people that are now changing the soul and the fabric of your nations. The thing that made your nation to be nations, now it is changing. And we are experiencing exactly that in South Africa. There is no way having come from such a painful history, and then you have beneficiaries now that did not partake in our liberation and fighting for this country. We must stand up as South African. This country, it has enough wealth for everyone. It has enough prosperity for everyone. It is just that it is badly managed. You are very cheap. No matter how much you are giving, $100 billion for the sake of selling your country, you are very cheap. You are very cheap. How many children, futures are destroyed? There is not enough money that you can have in your bank account for selling out your own country. No, that cannot happen, ladies and gentlemen. It cannot be that we allow this nonsense to happen. These people, balape government, parliamental, they must go out. Let us, we say we must put patriotic people in power. And Owen's example, Kamewani wa Chwane, Mena Sipi Moya. She's doing an excellent job. And I also like this guy from Umlungis Mabas, was the IFP. That guy is doing an excellent job. These are leaders that we must look forward to. Zandile Dabul. These are leaders that we must look out for because they've got a vision for this country that we want the South Africa for all. So I calling this thing here, this rhetoric of Marxism and open borders. It's nonsense, that thing. We are in trouble now because of that nonsense.
No, we really ndate advocate.
Asibonge somash, asibonge nyoni. Bafowethu isibongo mina uNgcibi ngihlala khona la eThekwini. ngokusebenza ke ngiku-legal advisor ka-Operation Tutula in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. Bafowethu ukukhuluma kuhle. It is wonderful and beautiful ukukhuluma, but ngiyabona ukuthi we've got brilliant minds in this panel. And what worries me kakhulu ukuthi we usually just sit in panels like this and talk, but siphume without having anything that's going to keep us together so that we have some sort of a communication moving forward, right? Because njengamanje yonke into esiyikhulumayo sikhuluma ilanguage eyodwa, sikhuluma udaba labantu bokufika and how they are affecting us, but I am very ngizothi nginomona ngokuthi abantu abakhona la, those brilliant minds that we have, how then do we ensure that we keep communication moving forward, if ever there are operations like the one Usisi Ngobese she was talking about. How then do we communicate those? Because we can't only be relying on TikTok and socials. Yeah, well, we cannot be relying. How then do we keep this community of people communicating about such issues so that sikwazi create le community yama-patriots azokwazi ukuthi eqhubeke no communicate and silipushe leli vangeli, because what we are struggling with, I think Usisi Ngobese can attest to this, is when we are on the grounds kunama march and what not, siyake experience sibalwe sincane sabantu, right? But kuma social networks sibaningi sibangaka. Can see here there are 2.3 people abakhona njengamanje, but when it helps, when isikhathi sokuthi sibe on the ground sifika, there's very few of us. So I see there are so many patriots on socials, but there's very few patriots on the ground. So what I am requesting mina njengamanje, angazi Mbovu ukuthi ungasilekelela kanjani Mhlonishwa ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sibe nendlela yokucommunicate, angazi noma WhatsApp, angazi, I don't have anything in mind right now, but ukuthi those brilliant minds zibe nendlela ukuthi ihlale zindawonye, zibe nendlela yokucommunicate ukuze ukwazi ukuthi ama-march and what not esiwaplenayo moving forward for ama-patriots ikwazi ukuthi ifikelele kubona bonke abantu angazi bawethu, because the issue, the real issue esinayo thina as people who have been on the ground is sibancane that really get on the ground and do their work. Sibabancane kakhulu. So my only request, I don't have anything in mind right now, but ngiyafisa to put it out there to everyone ukuthi can't we find a way yokuthi this community, those brilliant minds that we have in this community or in this platform, sigcine and have a way of communicating with them outside of this platform, so that uma khona ama-marches and whatnot sikwazi ukuthi spread the information and as people come and be on the ground. Singagcini nje bawethu ngokuba ama-patriots on socials. Let's be visible on the ground as well, because we are really struggling in that fact. For instance, abantu abalaphana eDington, I am surprised with for so many months basekhona laba babodwa. We need more people who abazolekelela lapha eDington. We need more people abazokwazi ukuthi bekunama march against Human Rights Commission, sibe inqwaba siye ku Human Rights Commission. If we go to elokhungaleni enkantolo, because the last march esabanayo Usisi Ngobese uzokhumbula yayiya lapha enkantolo, because abantu bokufika bayadedelwa lapha. Amaphoyisa are doing their job, immigration are doing their job, but when it comes to inkantolo we have a loophole lapha, because judges and magistrates in all honesty do not know how to deal. Uma umuntu wokufika efike producer a simple a form that shows that he has made an application for refugee status, that is enough for a magistrate to release that person. But what my understanding of the law, the person shouldn't be in South Africa. That person should make that application in his own country, except if that person is an asylum seeker. right? You cannot have a Zimbabwean being a asylum seeker because there's no war in Zimbabwe. There's no war in Zambia. There's no war in Ghana. But we have so many people about asylum seekers. I fake. But once you produce to before a magistrate ukuthi you are a asylum seeker, a check verify lutho, they bayamba release laba bantu. So we ikhona loophole ekhona lapha kuma judges. But angikho lapho la ngikhona ngisethenini. But for let us try angazi kanjani in all honesty to try and keep this community sibe nendlela ukuthi communicate so that we can be able to spread ilokhunjani ama movement and operations as now yilokho nje mbovu ngiyabona.
Sibonge qha usukhohle ukushiya inamba yakho njengoba noma ngobe seshilo usho nepage lakho kuze abantu bezokwazi ukuthi ngoba abantu esinabo la angithi abanye babuya enhlanganeni zepolitiki njengobaba umncwango. So we've got people from different sectors of our society. So yebo bakhona ababepolitiki bakhona abokuhlukile. Isho inamba yakho khona bezo landela abadinga ukulandela.
Ngiyabonga so much. Bafowethu igama lokhunjana le page lona libhalwe la kwilokhunjana profile yami uAdvocatus Legal Consultancy. That is my company, which is a legal consulting company khona la eThekwini. Inamba yami engitholakala kuyona u066 051 4400 ngiyatholakala ku WhatsApp ngiyatholakala over the phone. That is 066 051 4400. But if you check my page uzoyibona lapha kwi bio ikhona and my email address ikhona lapha. I thank you sir.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Kambeje. Engakaqali okambeje sithatha labantu
Angibingelele.
ya ungakaqali nje kambeje masiqeda ngalabantu sizocela amazi okugcina kuMangobese esegoqa mangabe usasekhona nobaba umncwangu esegoqa uMangobese njobesho ukuthi kunohlelo abanalo i-clean governance siyobe sesiligoqa ke uhlelo lethu ebesinalo namhlanje ngeshoshovu lezi ezilwa nabantu abasezweni bengena ephambili siyavala ngozandile siyabonga. Okay Kambeje ungaqhubeka.
Angibingelele igama uNothando ngiyimember ye March and March eKing Cetshwayo. Mina okunye ebengikucela kulabo abakwazi ukufinyelela kwabathile ngicela ukuthi nisizeni sithole i-email address or wherever la esingathola khona ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sibhalele i-United Nations. After ngabona istatement la eyathi khona izohoqisa imali le eyikhokhela ama asylum seeker I think nama refugees mhlambe nabo mangabe singababhalela ngendlela ama foreigners ahlupha ngakhona la eSouth Africa siphinde futhi siye na kuma page abo. Okunye eMaritzburg we have iNgonyama Trust abaseduzane neMaritzburg ngiyacela ukuthi basilekelele ngokuthi lapha yakwingonyama trust ngagcina every Monday ngisahlala eMaritzburg kuba nama meeting where kusuke kukhona amakhosi sike si mobilize nasemakhosini sike siba presentele ngoba amakhosi yiwo futhi anikeza abantu bokufika indawo. Iproblem esibhekene nayo la eSikhawini amanye amakhosi mangabe sile emhlanganweni esimemile siyopresenta izinto ngeMarch in March ayathanda ukusebenza amanye awasebenzi ngenxa yokuthi ondliwa yilabantu laba bokufika. Abantu bokufika asibazondi kodwa akube khona isikali sokuthi bangaki bazeleni. Ngike ngahlala eQadi ngisebenza eclinic. Kwafika umntwana wayengakwazi ukuhamba umntwana she was 14 years old. That was 2022. Umntwana wayehamba unyawo alibekele olunye unyawo alibekile wayekade elimele umntwana kwamele ukuthi abhokhelwe eclinic ayothungwa as umuntu obekade ebeletha bephuziswe abantu bokufika abahlala kwamakhelwane. Mangabe befuna ukuvula icase umakhelwane wathi cha abazange baze banibambe laba bantu ninqoshela abantu abafaka irent. Ngiyacela ukuthi futhi engazathi nasey'ndaweni singadila nabantu laba ababarentisayo. Leya ngane leyana kahle kahle yayikade ireyphiwe, ayangayithola i-justice, and kwaba yinto eyagcina nje kuyinto yaphelela kanjalo. Nami futhi ngashintsha eklinikhi. Ngiyabonga.
Kwabuhlungu. Mthimbana. Themba.
Sanibonani ngicela ukubingelela kwipanel. Ngibingelele nje nonke ngokuba khona kwenu kwipanel. Ngibuye ngize la kubaba uMbofu. Leli khasi lakho baba uMbofu ngililandela kakhulu. Lihloniphekile baba. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Bengicela ukuya nje ehlokweni nje sendaba. Ngizoqala nje ngikhulume nje elami iqiniso lithi ama leaders akhona la epanelini njengano uZandile Dabula naye umama uyena babe khona la. Ngingake ngithi bafowethu ngizoke ngiqinise kakhulukazi mina kunina ekuthenini uma ngabe wenza into enhle emphakathini kuvela akekho ozokushayela izandla. Bonke azikho ukuthi ke emile ziyayichamela. Kunjalo nje ngesizulu siyasisho kanjalo sithi uma wenza into ezinhle akekho umuntu ozokushayela izandla kuphela bazokhuluma nje babekhuluma nje kakhulukazi kumama uZandile uDabula. Mama uZandile Dabula ungapheli amandla, be strong ntombazana. Ulwela izwe lakho la silwela ingane zethu. Enye into engizoke ngidlule kuyona ke ngiyibeke ngizoke ngithi ke mina ke kunale system lena esiyibukayo eyenzekalayo futhi emphakathini labantu laba bokufika benza amasonto bazimobilize emasontweni and futhi basibe mobilize nabantu futhi babahlali ukuthi mabajoyine ukusonta nabo futhi as if futhi bese bevikelwa yibona futhi abahlali njengokuthi benzeni abantu ngoba benze lutho. Kanti imisebenzi yabo siyayazi ukuthi njenga nasey'ndaweni abazakhayo nje bakha isidleke sokufaka izinto zabo ukuthi vele abanaso ngaphakathi kubona ukwazi ukubabona ukuthi benzani ngoba vele sebekumanipulate umqondo wakho awusakwazi ukuthi wena nje bavikele nje kuphela. So ngizoke ngiqale nje lapho nje le ndaba le bese sengizothi ilwiwe kakhulukazi le ndaba nje ububona iTheku lithanda ukuthi ama street vendors ekwazi ukuzi-owna lapha e-workshop zilwile kudala lento le. Inkinga esinayo la amaphoyisa ayabribwa abuye futhi alwe nathi. Amanye amaphoyisa futhi ahlukene phakathi, amanye amaphoyisa ayasupport but the rest amaphoyisa ayabribwa bese buya ezolwa nathi. Sesiyaqonda-ke lokuthi no amaphoyisa vele anawo ayingxenye kaRamaphosa ngoba uRamaphosa vele akayithandi South Africa. So ngake ngithi nje mina bafowethu ake silweni nokuzimisela singabheki emuva manje ke sibhekeni phambili. Kulate vele manje sefuna ngabe nje kulate ngempela nje akekho ongaboni. Ake siqiniseni kakhulukazi la emakhosini ngoba la emakhosini nasendaweni lezi zasemakhaya keqiniswe khona ke ifakwe information yokuthi konakele ezweni. Na ukuthi ababoni konakele ezweni labantu laba abahambe manje sebemoshe kakhulu. I submit.
Sibonge kuMthimbana. Sisijabu.
Yes. Yebo sanibona. Ninjani?
Siyaphila sisijabu ninjani nini?
Hayi ngiyaphila mina ngingozi ngenxa yama foreigners lawa alapho eMzansi. Ngingimanxeba futhi kusekude ukuphola. Amaphoyisa angidayisa angibophela ngohlala ngikhuluma noma sengine dementia sengiyisalukazi ngeke ngize ngikhohlwe lento. Ngibhlungu ngilimele. Ngaboshwa ngiboshelwa umuzi wami lapho eKZN amaphoyisa aseMalvani ngoba ekwiPoirel and lo Nigeria wayedayisa ngezidakamizwa. I-estate agent yomlungu yaforge isignature. Mawunomuzi uthi rentiselwa i-estate agent manje yona yasuka yayifakela iNigeria bahlangana ngendlela abahlangana yaforja isignature yami. Ngaboshwa eMzansi ngiboshelwa umuzi wami. Ngilimele ngoba nommeli womuntu omnyama engamkhokhela imali wajika wayoxhawulana neNigeria. Ngilimele bantu baseMzansi awekho ama-resources ngoba noma uthi uya enkantolo noma uthi ureporta ko-estate agent board kuyagwazwa. Namanje kusene case engilimazile ngimosha imali, ngidayiswe ummeli futhi omunye womuntu omnyama. Kusho ukuthi yiyo lento ekuthiwa i-modus operandi, ngoba kusho ukuthi la ngithi ngqi khona sengize ngabhalela ka-NPA Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ugeneral last year, I think so, yeah, wathi angize ngizovula icase. Ngifikile eMzansi ngoFebruary March ngavula icase. Uyazi ukuthi icase ngiqolwe imali engaka kodwa kuthiwa i-dismissed 400,000 i-asset agent. So nje le ama-foreigners ingilimazile from 2019 to 2020 ngisaphinda futhi ngixoxa noma ngabe kuthiwa ngikhuluma nentatheli noma kuthiwa njengoba ngisho noma kuthiwa sengoba nge-dementia, if by God's grace ngeke ngibe nayo, but lento ingilimazile ngoba angizange ngithole usizo eMzansi. Abanye abantu ama-South Africans ayesethole umkhoma ngami, angicebula up to the last penny ngoba ethi woza somkhipha. Nomunye ummeli wayela usasinaye kwi-group, i-WhatsApp group yaka-Action SA, wazenza ngathi uzongisiza. Ngatshengisa omunye untombazane ngathi wathi hawu kanti uzokufuna imali 15,000 for what? Kanti ubengezile egroupini ngoba ethi uzokusiza njengomuntu oyimember. Bantu benkosi, ngiphelile mina indaba yamakwerekwere, ngiqala manje mina ngiqala ukungihlukumeza 2019, ngangingedwa nkutakuteka. So ke manje ngithi uNkulunkulu mkhulu, bukani, ngiye ngisho nakwabanye ngithi bukani la ngenzani, buka uSouth Africa wonke usuwaphendukele. Manje ngibhlungu ngoba there was no way, ngi-vulnerable nginje, ngiyintandane, ngumfelokazi, yeah, ma-South Africans ngilimele. Oh hayi bandla, kuye kuthiwe ngempela hayi, they will pay the price. Ngilimele, angisoze ngaxola. Amaphoyisa aseMalvern angibopha 15, 16, 17 December ka-2020 ngiboshelwa umuzi wami ngoba befuna ukuthi kuhlale lo mNigeria mahhala, babeqonda ukudla futhi umuzi wami. Nithini leyo nto? Ngiphela amandla, abukho ubulungiswa eMzansi, abukho. Sengeke ngibone ukuthi kusho ngohlala kuleli zwe ngihamba ngigcogcoma kanje ngoba ngihlukunyezwe ngisho nabantu bakithi baseMzansi. Ngine-list yabo, bangithola ngivesi ngilimele, bangilimaza kakhulu. Ngilinyazwa umuntu ongafakwanga la yimina Mbovu, ufakwa umlungu. Manje mangithi ngireporta kuboss yakhe, ngiriporta nako-asset agent code, wonke lawo ma-resources awasebenzi, o-public protector abasebenzi, o-magistrate, konke akusebenzi. Bantu benkosi, kuyagwazelwa.
Ngizwa uthi igroup wena nikuyona nommeli omunye ye-Action SA. I-Action SA inhlangano yezepolitiki.
Hayi sasilapho phela egroupini kodwa ngikhuluma indaba yami. So lo mmeli ke yena wayefuna imali, ngenhlanhla ke yena ngizange ngisayi-involve indaba yakhe. Lo owagwazelwa umNigeria wayengeyona imember ye-Action SA.
Mase kuthi uMkhwanazi naye uhlulekile ukukulekelela.
Ngiyile phela eMzansi ngoFebruary ngamsendela i-message. Manje ngimyekile ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi kuphithene kakhulu, usaxakekile. Uyayibona leyo nto. Noma sengidlala ngine-VN la yephoyisa eliphethe icala lendiya, lingifokofisa kabuhlungu kabi. Uyazi ilanga liqopha ngamabomu ngoba ngangibona ukuthi hayi lo uphezu kwami, uprotector i-criminal. Uyabona? Ubias, and he was very arrogant. Ngiphinde ngareporta ke ka-KZN provincial, uyabona. Ngase ngabhalela ka-NPA, ngithole uHarrison, u-advocate uHarrison. Angibona kuthuleke nje manje ngoba nalo advocate waka-estate agent board naye uyithulele nje, wamane wayichitha i-complaint yami ngoba kuyagwazwa yonke indawo, uyabona. Uyabona njengoba benithi nozwakele nizoya kwa-KZN provincial, angazi nini niyovula icala for what. Ngize ngafisa ngathi inkosi yami ngamane ngigibela ibhanoyi ningithole nami sengihleli khona namaphinifa.
Hayi ubaba uMncwangu besifuna nje alungise lento ngoba naku
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. The local Mjomani said Kukuti, he is someone who's supporting a march and march and a operation to do his always saying ukuthi foreigners must leave ke sana foreigners akufanele ahambe abuyele emakubo. So he even once said ukuthi indzaba yamalema kufanele siyibukisise kahle because umalema uyabonakala ukuthi he's defending foreigners and nangokuthi vele kwayena udecide kanjani ama-foreigners kwakudala. It's not the first time simbona vele umalema he is for foreigners. So kwakhulumana lenza ukuthi ma-foreigners akumele abe-documented but they need to leave, or uthi nje kufaneke nje bahambe. This is non-negotiable. Kufaneke ama-foreigners abuyele la avela khona. So uhlala sho nje ukuthi yena he really supports i-operation Dudula. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I am signing out. Goodbye.